saw. Dude, it's that fucking tight. I'm not even kidding. Dude, it's as tight as it can go.
Sledgehammers are pretty heavy. Move your hand.
This isn't helping. This sucks ass.
This is so funny. I thought we were on the big lots.
We were. BB.
Oh. What are you looking for?
Metal saw.
Metal saw? You're looking for a saw.
No! No, I don't trust you with a saw.
You have AIDS? Look at your door.
No! I gotta get blood still through it. This one's tighter than ever. Ow, 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 and ow.
What
the hell are you doing?
All sex?
Dude. It's probably what you have to show me. Yeah. Oh, I can't even lift that thing up. Here, killing me. No, dude. Thing's gonna break.
Well, how do you get it off his hands though? Those things come off though.
I hate this, John.
This is hilarious.
John, it's all your fault. Smash. Smash, 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 smash. Almost got it. I got chains of love. Well, because I want to get it where at least you can move your hands freely. I can't do that. Oh, yeah.
Well, if you break them, you can, dumbass.
This isn't cool. I just wanted to let you know. Ow. Ow.
Ass muncher.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
No, all I gotta do. And my parents are gonna kill me.
How do you get them off though?
I can lift the sledgehammer up now.
No! I'm done.
You look like a dick convict. Yay! Jingle bells, jingle bells. I didn't do it.
Hey, you did.
Oh yeah.
Missed. This is with my left hand too. Ow! Oh, right in the ear.
That's what you get.
Ouch.
Oh.
Yes. Switch your hand. No, Bobby took it.
Fucking hurts like shit.
Yeah.
Dude, this hurts so. No, get the right one first. The right one hurts the worst, dude. It's as tight as it can go.
That was pretty gay.
My name's Johnny.
Welcome to Jackass! I feel like we're at Jimmy's house.
Ow! It hurts like shit. I come home with big rings around my